Khubli Pi Baro Shakatup Khubor Jungi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentakas ngi kilong. Wanra Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma ya ka report ipin betput apding ka sarkar Meghalaya but Assam hapo ka ying dorbar thawan ka Meghalaya. Yathu Menteri ka tanat ka kwat ka kya James P. sangma babun kinong teri ka kwat ka kya kimtre banchim ya ketika COVID. Yathu Menteri Kampen Roysor ubasnya bahalang dhar badon kam hadu arspa akar ka jaka ban penlong jaka thenyun. But penyaso NPP kinong ilam kasing Congress ka Mauplang constituency. But mintangin paj ki Khubor bakam benya. Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma mentakas ngi ulawan ra hapo ka ying dorba thawan ka Meghalaya ya ka report ka be day bat ka jinge penbet put penbet sam hapading ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Haba puli kini ka report hagir khot ka ying dorbar hakani ka mang tingka u Konrad ke sangma ulay thu ba ka sarkar Meghalaya bat kumju ru ka sarkar Assam kilaya soy ya ka memorandum of understanding bat kinsalit ya kendo yu menteri kampo ying jaga sarkar pedeng kanang banla banyo ikajing ithu ya kani kajing penbet board.
Whatever solution that has been come or we have come out with, this has not been something that has been easy for us to do. We have met officially, unofficially in many situations and occasions and tried to come up with the best solution that is possible. And what I have mentioned today here may not be a perfect solution that we would want, but we strongly have felt that this is the best solution that we can bring forward today and present towards the House. As I said, it has not been an easy exercise. It has been very tough. I will be moving to Delhi on the 9th of this month, where the Honorable Home Minister of India, Government of India, has called both the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya to finally discuss on the MOU that was signed. And I am very hopeful, sir. I am very hopeful that we will be able to announce some positive statement on that particular day based on the MOU that has been signed between the two states, the details of which I have shared with this House today. So with these few words and with this particular clarification on the interstate boundary issue that we are having, sir, as I said, I'm happy to inform you that we should be able to come to a conclusion.
Menteri katanat ka kwat ka kya James P. sangma mentakas ngi ulay thu badon bon kinong tre ka kwat ka kya ki ba tre banchim ya ketika COVID-19. Haba jubab ikajingkili balabu do khot kaliang persha nakaseng All India Trinamool Congress uba Himalaya Shangpliang James P. sangma ulay thu badon hado 8,000 sanspa sangut kinong tre ka kwat ka kya ki bampat shim ya ketika COVID-19.
Start question 3. A. Sir, the total number is 2,505, which is about 10% hesitancy rate. B. Sir, based on the study conducted by the Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Shillong, there are various reasons for COVID vaccine hesitancy among the healthcare workers. C. So the total number of unvaccinated healthcare workers in government hospitals is 2,456. D. So the total number of unvaccinated healthcare workers in private hospitals is 49. E. So the government is making all-out efforts to conduct counseling and create awareness programs in this regard. This was a report via a study which was conducted among healthcare workers and the community. So I will just read out the reasons why people are hesitant to take the COVID-19 vaccine, sir. So one, some people are worried about the side effects after vaccination, and this is in descending order of priority, sir. Number two, sir, messages on social media that cause concern.
Menteri ki Kampen Roysor ubasnya bahalang dhar mentakas ngi ulay thu ikidkhot ka ying dorbar thawan ka Meghalaya baka sarkar ka don kam hadu arspa akar ka jakaban penlong jaka thenyut. Haba jubab ikajingkili balabu udkhot kaliang persha uba George P. Lingdo udkhot jangka All India Trinamool Congress uba dhar ulay thu baka ni kajing thmu banchim jaka thenyut kalong ka Kerdem Haribhoi district.
So therefore, any decision taken by the government, until and unless the people of that area is satisfied, we are not going to go against the wish of the people of that area. And therefore, about setting of the projects, everything has to be followed as per guideline. And that is the reason why I have stated that when everything is okay, and we'll be able to know where is the actual place. Yes, around approximately 200 acres plus minus, and if everything is in order, only then will be prepare the final plan. But to inform the House that we are very serious on this, so going against people, against the wills of people, we are not going to do that. So until unless everybody is on board, we are not going to go against the project in this area. So therefore, after receiving the final report from Deputy Commissioner, and currently as of now, so the government is under examining the matter for this project.
Umentri ketenat PHE uba renekten tongkar mentakasngi ulakot ia kejing lang jengki kontraktor bat he sorkar jeng ketenat PHE ban wengi kejing ban penteri biang no ia ke Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme. Habakren hikilat pathai Khubor uba tongkar ulai tu bakani kejing teri kelasange mentala pras nem.
To resume back to work now, even though they expressed that there may be problem that they may encounter at the village level, where sometimes the village headman do not allow them to dig the road, and then PWD also they said sometimes they do not allow, they stop them to dig the road. But since now the department has already paid the required amount to the PWD, I hope there will be no problem. PWD will be ready to restore the damaged portion which will cause by laying of pipe by the contractors of PHE. I'm happy to tell you that the contractors by themselves, they have set the target that we will be able to complete before September. So that is great thing. Instead, we put the pressure and set the target to complete by September. We understand doing the work, executing the work in Shillong city, it is not easy job. Lots of hurdles they are going to face, and I have requested the contractor to put this as a challenge, and I have reminded them that when you get things easily or when you succeed things easily, you will not be that happy. But when you can succeed things after facing hurdles, after facing problem, you will be very, very happy.
Saungut kinong yalam jangka Congress na mau plang constituency mentakasngi kilalet ban penyeso ia ledi bat ke NPP. Ia kita ki saungut la pediang sengau bahada UMLA ke mauren keneng uba penyat sings im harengkat ke jingadon lang UMDC ke mau plang uba lam plang bela nalor kiwe.
Iba kit nongrem long president jangka Meghalaya State NPYF kerpangru ia i convener jangka National People's Party jong ka plang constituency ita diba lamprang bla ibalong ru i MDC jong ka take constituency berkumju ibalong ru chairman jong ka HDC te hakani ka janmit ni penlong ni ka jingelang ban pediang subhai ba Richard Karunai ibalong i vice president in charge jong ka mongap jong ka seng congress nangta iba sanbor kharbeteng ibalong i vice president in charge jong ka Linjong nangta iba Aibor Umdor iblong i vice president in charge jongka tersat area congress nangta bat iba James Molong iblong member jongka congress jongka tika constituency te ngi lapenlong ini ka jingilang ka ba Lincoln ban pediang subhai ki te nakaliang jungi ngi soban ai kublai kerpang yaki yakaba kilashim yakanika rai rangba ka jingkut jingmut jongki hadin ba kilai ba ka parti NPP ka lingba ka jing sensyar ke jongka hamni po state ke jongi akabide ba ka jing yalam ya ka MDA government ki babun ki kam ki issues ba kimat ki ba kongsan ki bide ba ba kanika parti NPP hakanika government MDA kala shim ka ba pelong kini ki rangba seban kut jingmut banwan ban ai Jingkershan berkumju bandrung sembilan hak parti.
Ke GSU war Giantia Circle minta kesngi kalaweng no ya kalamayong balasi hanong talang Community Health Center mentala kendai benai hadin belas dang biang ya ke 108 service hakini kejaka ajing sumar nongpang naduk kasantarik ulber. Nakaliang General Secretary ke GSU Central Body usamla Trebor lang Suchen uloong bakaseng kalazdang bandawa ban penyok biang ya kekali kit nongpang ke babiang ke 108 service hadin bagi ba kilai kenduk jing pan penpoi ki nongpang syakijaka a jing sumar. Usamla Eddie Kerry Potam Presiden ke GSU war Giantia Circle ulapen pau ke jing sngongu ya baro ki bedon benta ban penpoi biang ya ke 108 service hapok kathan kentup ikibor sorkar ke kot kekia bat kumjuk ru ikibor sorkar amlarem civil subdivision bat kiwe.
So menai burom ya ke sorkar kamtam ya kata DHS kumjuk ru Dr. Amanwar kumjuk ru ya ki kebor sorkar kepala sengap ya ke jingut ke jingdam jong di pajba jong thai amrem subdivision badaliang seng ke jingdawa ke long ba ya ke 108 ambulance ke long nadu aja khat pra batut tat hadu mentah mene kira yo ya ke 108 apa amrem subdivision tekum kadak ke ba ke seng ke soben ai burom ni ben sengek no ke jingki di melayo ke 108 ambulance pi bai kini ke banar ke banadin ba ke seng ke lam pen hiar no kum kadak ben sengek ke jingki amar ke jingdawa ke long ba seso bat ke de ke jingtoy ru ya ki pat no Shillong jong thai amrem subdivision
Kejing Pinkre jong kabalang Presbyterian Barato West Giant Hills ban pediang ya kejing seng sinot rangba keban selong ha ka khatnyau hadu arpau tarik mentau benai kalaya chat shakmat nadu kejing Pinkre ha ki ying gisem ha kabalang bat ha kashnong hibaro kawai bat kini kejing seng kade ban long house nem arjar arpoi Henry lahap ban sange no shwa na kejing wan pentut ka klam. Nakaliang upastor badai pet jang kabalang Barato Reverend DH Lamare ulai thuo bakabalang kalapen kre shitrem naduk ke mensim kat ibor bala na kebentaban pediang kelut mensim ye kinong wan jingeseng kibanajan bat na jengai wat kibadon hakiwei pat kijinget ru.
Di namar bakasnong tolong kama he sosra ini kesyang tempat lah mansol problem isurok jeng kasnong kamtam kabalang kapapediang kising seng kinang don sibun kidong kilat kibangidon kam kisurok kibabha ring yo iba kapor kam sasyu lapoy ha kabakut timat nakaliang ke department jeng ke sarkar PWD ru kimla syu bani arab kita kibadang sa dan re wala dekat taru ni ai kublai kerpang ni kena department bakalaya simkia bani arab kat balak nakabor jeng kapan penbiang so tingit kermen baik ba nakam na gajing wan jing sa ipai ba kinam da sitom haka lek gawa jadi jing dai bat ka PHE jing dai bat ka PHE ya kenero ngila persyang ban lek ya kendo ya ki engineer ki badai pek ya keneka kam antaki minister ni so kuban ban itu wa but what chief minister jong ka PHE ru wal awan poi hang ni sisin manik cengok dalade kan kakam bat nakaliang jong minister kat baru MLA jong ru kila sekolah hi bani rap kat balak ban penbiang ki jin kam jong pai ba
Bat daki tuki khubor ngila poi syakapukud tat hadu pengindai syambiang kublai shibon.